guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you guys how to do this vanish effect here in Kinemaster. Okay, for this tutorial I'm using this photo that I shot, and I shot it straight. So for this will be different, and we are not using this landscape here, but I will show you what to use now. So just click on this add. Instead of choosing 16:9, we will choose the 9:16. Okay, just choose the 9:16, then we have to choose our footage we're using. So what as you can see now that this footage rotates differently, and we have to fix that first. So to do that, just click on the footage like so. Now click here. This rotation and mirror settings. Now we have to just play around with this to see which one will work. So let's start with rotation. Just click on this. You see that it's inverted in the other side. So you have to do it, then choose another one. Do it again. Do it again. Now you see that this has fixed our footage. Okay, now that we have successfully trimmed and fixed our footage, now let's play it to see what we got. Okay, the most important thing about this, you must have a clean background that you shoot. So you must pick a clean background, something like this, and what we do to the clean background is just click on it at the side that is very clean and there's no the character in the frame. So just click here, then click here, then set capture and add as clip. Okay, just click on that. Right. Okay, for this now let's trim off all the parts we don't want here and this back. So just cut it off like so. Okay, so the first thing we add is the effect. So let's add the effect. First effect we are using here. Okay, so I'm using this. So what I will do now is to drag this to the end of the shot thing here like so. Then I will just make sure this starts from the beginning of the frame. Okay, so what we do to this now is to track it and place it to the object on the floor. And to do this, we must get rid of the background. And to do that, just come down here in blending mode, go down, then select screen. Okay, by doing that, we have a clean screen, so you can place this exactly to the object. Now we'll track this to the object, and to track, just click on this key, then set a keyframe, drag, add a keyframe. So we will wait until we pick it up, then we continue to add the keyframe. So drag it to it like so. Just keep tracking on the object and place it to where it's supposed to be on the object. Okay, then put it back to the middle, then vanish. Alright, and that is that. And for the second effect, you just click here, then go to overlay. Now I already downloaded this effect. You can go down here in this overlay, then come down to get more. You can get this effect. Okay, I'm using this effect. Okay, so I'll just make sure I also drag this very close here. So this will start when it picked it up, the object up. So it starts somewhere around here. Okay, somewhere around here. Okay, so I'll drag this to the end of the shot like so. So make sure this ending is more stretched than this. Okay, so click on that, then go to the key, place it here first. You can rescale it like so, then drag it, then move up gently, then keep moving it up, drag it up, then place it back to the middle. Okay, so when that is done, the next thing to do is to play around with this background. And to do that, okay, so what we do now with this, we choose this. So we will just track on the first frame. Let's check here, something around here, then we will make sure we place it here. So just pick it, drag it to the center. Okay, somewhere around here. So we make sure just click here, then set it like this. Okay, then drag it downward like so. So make sure you drag this to the end of this shot like so. So this is the first clip. So what we need is to place this when this is kind of getting vanishing. Just click on it, duplicate this. Okay, now adjust this very slowly, then drag it up a little. Click on it again, duplicate again. Now the last one, which is the down one, drag that again, drag it again, click on it, then drag it, extend it up. So that gradually, that's how you do it. Click on it again, duplicate. Now choose the dry one, drag it, and drag it up like so again. So that is how you do this. Very easy. Just have to drag it back. Make sure you follow this effect here. So don't drag it above the effect like so. So you run the shot, and the VFX will not come nice. So you just have to duplicate, then track on it. So drag it. So you start doing this until our character vanishes. So that's where you stop. So let's do this one again. I think for the last time here. So drag up like so. So instead of dragging this up, just choose a full screen. Alright, and that is how you do that. So when you play this, you have something like this. Okay, so that's how you do this, and this is how to do the effect. Just add sound and everything is good. Okay, so for this out of this animation, just have to click on it, then duplicate it like I did here. So when you duplicate it, you have a tick effect going on here. Okay. So that's that, and thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.